So the command line is basically a must. If you're in tech, you're going to end up using the command line to install things, to communicate with the computer, or if you try to avoid it and you call someone else to help you with that, you're going to have to use it for production because everything runs in a data center, and that's the way that you communicate with a data center. Out of your cybersecurity, data science, computer science, software, you're developing applications, it doesn't matter. So let's just stop thinking about why learning the command line and let's just get into learning the command line. That's why we developed this interactive tutorial, because you know that interactively is the best way to learn. And this is such an important skill that it needs to be done. So I'm about to show you how it works. You may see some changes when you're using it because we obviously are constantly developing every single tutorial that we do. We improve it. So it may not be the exact same thing, but you're going to get the gist of it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so here we are. This is going to get serious, and I'm also getting old, so I better use my glasses now. So you're going to see something like this when you start. You may get, you're going to see the video first, but you also may get prompt into choosing a tutorial. But I think we're removing this step because we're trying to pick the tutorial for you so that you don't have to. Because obviously there is a particular tutorial that we want you to do right now. It's the best one to learn right now. So, but aside from that, you're going to see on the right side some help on available commands, and we may add Rigobot and artificial intelligence there to help you out as a mentor. And you're going to see at the bottom how you can type things like in a terminal. I can type here. And you can actually send it to the terminal right now. I can just start sending it. It's important to state that like the answer you're going to get from the terminal, it's the exact same answer you will get from a real terminal because we want to answer in the same way. To be honest, the terminal doesn't answer in a very friendly way. And this is something you have to get used to, this type of awful feedbacks you get from the terminal. But obviously, you have Google, you have AI and mentors and everything just to get familiar with it and with help so that you don't get stuck for a long period of time. So I already have a challenge in front of me. It's this one. This challenge is telling me to get into the command line directory. So I'm just gonna try that by cd the command line challenge. And then after you finish the challenge successfully, you're going to see that this progress, I'm not going to do it right now. I'm about to, but I wanted to show you first that there's a progress here at the bottom. It's all white and there's a little bit of blue because I'm at step number 0. But once I finish this step and I hit enter and I send it, this is the right command. So I see some confetti, everyone's happy, and then you can see how the progress moved on. So that's great because you can see the progress in the middle of it as you move throughout the tutorial. So I hope you guys like it. Just start doing the challenges and let us know any feedback.